Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am doing a hard gel infill on my client's natural nails. I've already removed the previous design and now I'm just priming and prepping them nails. And then I'm going to go in with Urban Nails clear gel and I'm just going to apply a thin base layer and then cure this in the lamp for 60 seconds. So I'm just taking a small bead of Urban Nails clear gel. I'm just dipping that into my crushed opal glitter, which is from Nail Sugar. And I'm just going to apply that to the ring finger and the middle finger and making sure that all that glitter is nice and flat before I pop that into the lamp. And once I've done this, I'll cure that for 60 seconds. So I'm now going to use Urban Nails Cover Pink just on that little finger and the pointer finger, and I'm just going to be starting at the cuticle area and working my way down to that free edge. And then once I've done this, I'm going to be capping the glitter nails with the clear gel, doing the same process. And once I'm happy with that, I'll turn my client's hand upside down for 5-10 seconds and then I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now that's all done, I'm going to be using Urban Nails cleanser just to remove that sticky inhibition layer, and then I'll be able to go on to my filing technique. Using Team Gorgeous 180 grit file, I'm just going to start filing and refining these nails, making sure that there's no lumps and bumps and that I've got the shape the way I want it. And then I'm going to go in with my fine e-file bit and I'm just going to whiz round that cuticle area just to make sure that them cuticles and sidewalls are nice and flush, and then we'll be ready for some colour. Using Semilax Strawberry Blue Gel Polish, I'm just going to apply a thin, even coat on the little finger, pointer finger and thumb. And once I'm happy with that, I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm going to be doing a bit of a marble technique on a couple of these nails. So I'm using strawberry blue, turquoise blue, green glass and strong white, all from the Semolac range. And I'm just going to mix these colours together, creating a bit of a marble effect. And then I'm going to use my hard gel brush, and I'm just going to scoop up some of that product. And then I'm just going to apply it or float it over that nail, just so you can see that marble coming through. And then I'm going to give it a full coverage on this blue nail. And then I'm going to clean my brush, and I'm just going to feather down the rest of that product to the free edge on that middle finger and cure for 30 seconds. So I'm just going to give the little nail and thumb a second coat of this strawberry blue, and I'll pop that into the lamp to cure for 30 seconds. So I'm now going to top coat all of these nails, and you'll see that gorgeous glitter come through. And they're so pretty. Once I'm happy with this, and I've cleaned up my edges, I'm going to pop that into the lamp for a full cure of 60 seconds. As always, I'm going to finish this set with a little bit of cuticle oil. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you all in the next one.